All right, we're back. This puppy is done. Those you may notice is blue tape, which is painter's tape. What I do when I get the units in, I tape up all the screens, especially if I'm doing more than one. Well, usually if I'm doing one, two, I tape up all the screens so there's no damage to your screens. That's all that is. And these little labels, these numbers, I have 3 or 4 these different units I'm doing today, so I like to put numbers on them to the parts so they match up. That way, when I send the parts back to customers, they get the right parts. So this is just checks and balances for me, so I don't get nobody parts mixed up. Here you go. Let's try the key. Steering bolt lock right there. Pull it back. If you notice, here you go. 2-finger action. Both keys are programmed. They have chips in them, so I programmed them into the system. That's about it. Really not much to say at this point. It's going to be plug and play. Those of you that call me and wondering why you can't find people in your area to do this type of work, it's simple. One, Ducatis is not in our locksmith's books. This is all special training. Two, the people that you might be dealing with, maybe they don't get enough calls to justify buying the equipment, learning how to do this. I mean, because if you're not getting the calls, then you're definitely not going to get your money back if you start buying all this equipment. And plus, Ducati has a few different systems. Even though the keys look the same, so they basically have a few different kinds of keys, but there's the chips inside the keys are different. The way they're coded, it's just different chips. The way they're coded inside the keys, and that's about it. So if y'all need my help, give me a call or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup. But if you do call me, I'll tell you how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take, what to send me. And that's about it. If y'all like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch y'all on the next one.